The next verse was found also in Numbers 3 verse 41. Now, the word here, the first word here is wela kita. So this word is a verb. It is a kal, also a command. I mean, it is a main verb also. So a perfect second person with wow. So the syntax is this, or the use of this in the sentence is a main verb. This word wela kita. Then the next is an eth. So it is mentioned also in the last verse, this word eth. It is an object marker, and it is a particle, marks an object. So the use of this is a mark object. So the next word is helewayam. Helewayam is a noun, masculine plural with article. So when you say article, the uses of in the syntax is it is a direct object or a direct command. And then the next word is leya. This leya is a preposition plus suffix, first consecutive suffix. Then the uses of this is benefactive praise. So this word is a benefactive praise. Then the next word is ayane. Ayane is an independent pronoun. An independent pronoun, the uses of this independent pronoun is to give emphasis to the prior word. Then the next word is Yahweh. Yahweh is a proper noun. The uses of this, the syntax of this is a position in the sentence. The next word is tahat. Tahat is a preposition. The uses of this, or the syntax of this, is substitution praise. Then the next word is kal. Kal is a qualifier. When you say a qualifier, the uses of this is to modify something, or so to modifier. So the syntax is modifier. Then bekor. Bekor word is a noun, masculine singular, and it is an object of the preposition. So the next word is labain. Labain is preposition plus noun construct. So it is a genitive in the praise. The next word is Yisrael. Yisrael is a proper noun. A proper noun, the uses is a genitive also in the sentence. Then the next word is we'at. We'at is a particle, and it is a next object. So mark a next object to the next word. Then the next word is a behemoth. Behemoth is a noun construct. It's a noun construct. So when you say construct, the use of this construct is a construct phrase in a syntax. Then the next word is Wayahalam. So Wayahalam is a nominative masculine plural, and also a genitive in a phrase. Then tahat. Tahat is a preposition. The uses of this is substitution. Then the next word is koat. Koat is a qualifier also and a modifier in a sentence. Then bekor. Bekor is a noun, masculine singular, and it is an object used in a sentence. Then the next word is behemoth. Behemoth. It is a preposition plus noun, and a preposition uses in a phrase also. Then the second to the last word is bine. Bine is a noun, masculine plural, construct. It is a used construct in a phrase also in a sentence. Then the last word is yeshere. Yeshere is a proper noun and also a genitive phrase in a sentence, in use of the sentence. And that's for Numbers chapter 3 verse 41.